data, decisions, and a fresh start. The hidden clues in your business challenges. Welcome to today's episode. Let's dive into a vital topic for every business leader: turning financial challenges into opportunities for growth. Here's the truth: businesses don't sink overnight. Financial and accounting issues are often the tip of the iceberg, but the good news is that you can address them before it's too late. Feeling like your company is running in slow motion? Like decisions are stalling? Don't worry, you're not alone. The fact that you're searching for answers is the first step toward uncovering the hidden potential in your business. This episode won't offer magical formulas, but it will give you the initial keys to regain control. By leveraging data and making informed decisions, you can transform stagnation into a springboard for success. Are you ready to turn your numbers into allies rather than nightmares? Segment 1. Diagnosis. It's not chaos, it's opportunity. Before jumping into solutions, you need to understand the root of your challenges. Financial and accounting problems are not just obstacles. They're clues. Every misplaced number or negative balance tells a story. Your job is to play detective and uncover what's really going on beneath the surface. Start with the basics. Profit and loss statements. Go beyond whether you're making or losing money. Where is the money flowing? Mapping the movement of your funds can reveal inefficiencies or hidden costs. Balance sheet. This document shows what you own and owe, but it can also highlight assets to optimize or liabilities to resolve. Many companies lack an updated inventory of assets, which skews their financial picture. Cash flow. This is your business's lifeline. Track every dollar to ensure your spending and investments align with your goals. A well-managed cash flow keeps your operations stable and prepares you for future opportunities. Data isn't just numbers. It's your compass. Businesses that monitor cash flow and balance sheets are statistically more resilient to financial crises. World Bank, 2021. Segment 2. Informed decisions. Your real superpower. Making decisions in haste or based on intuition alone is like playing Russian roulette with your business. The real superpower of any successful company lies in informed decision-making. Here's the golden rule. Analyzing data under pressure is no better than acting on a hunch. Take your time and plan. Leverage tools like financial analysis and performance metrics. Business intelligence, BI, helps you not only understand past performance but also predict future scenarios. This foresight allows you to anticipate problems and make proactive, calculated moves. Segment 3. Financial strategies. Let's get practical. With your diagnosis complete and data at hand, it's time to take action. 1. Streamline costs with strategy. Don't just cut expenses blindly. Use methods like activity-based costing, ABC, to identify which activities add value and which don't. Focus on eliminating waste while preserving essential operations. Studies show that this approach significantly boosts profitability. World Bank, 2021. 2. Renegotiate and restructure debt. Debt isn't always a dead end. Approach your creditors with a clear plan to renegotiate terms or interest rates. Most lenders prefer to cooperate when they see smart, data-driven strategies at play. 3. Master cash flow management. Think of your cash flow as the main artery of your business. Keep it healthy to ensure smooth operations and flexibility for unexpected challenges. For smaller businesses, options like consolidating bank accounts or shared account structures can help optimize resources. 4. Implement rigorous accounting controls. Accounting isn't your enemy, it's your ally. Internal audits and continuous monitoring can prevent mistakes and mitigate risks. Research indicates that ongoing internal audits improve operational efficiency by 30%. Harvard Business Review, 2022. Segment 4. Technology, your secret weapon. Technology isn't just about speed, it's about accuracy and foresight. Here are 2 key ways it can revolutionize your finances. 1. Financial management software. Platforms like SAP or Microsoft Dynamics provide real-time visibility into your financial operations, reducing human error and improving decision-making. Businesses using these tools report up to a 25% reduction in operational costs. Gartner, 2021. 2. Predictive analytics. Imagine spotting a financial problem before it even happens. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast potential risks and opportunities, allowing you to act proactively Mendoza-Puccini, 2024. Segment 5. Building a data-driven culture. Data alone isn't enough. Your team must embrace it. Building a culture of transparency and collaboration ensures that financial recovery becomes a collective effort. Involve your team in decisions. When employees understand the why behind decisions, they're more likely to engage and support change. A team aligned with the organization's goals is better equipped to face challenges. Mendoza-Puccini, 2024. Invest in training. Equip your team with the skills they need to interpret data and contribute meaningfully. Investing in employee development isn't just about skill building. It's about creating a sense of ownership and empowerment. Harvard Business Review, 2022. Remember this: a growing team leads to a growing business. The real danger isn't employees who grow and leave, it's employees who stagnate and stay. Closing. Your business, stronger than ever. Financial recovery isn't just about fixing problems. It's about transformation. With informed decisions, smart controls, and the right technology, your business can emerge stronger, more efficient, and more resilient. The key is to let go of fear and embrace each challenge as an opportunity for growth. It's time to awaken your company's true potential. Are you ready to take that first step?